this farm is the practice that we use here in our farm is organic farming. So all the food that you ate doesn't have any chemical or any synthetic fertilizers or any, no. So and before we have our tour, I will just orient you a little about our rules and regulations. Because before we started, when agritourism here in the Philippines is starting, we don't have much of our rules and regulations. Visitors will come and go, but after the visitors leaves, if we will go back to our farm, it's either something is missing or something was destroyed. No? So that's why when we went to agritourism, we created our rules and regulations for our safety and also for a little bit of information for tourists, because not all tourists are farmers. Yeah. So first rule and regulations is pick and pay policy. Okay? Pick and pay policy. So that we will understand it easily, I will give an example. For example, if you harvested or picked or even picked up from the ground one cherry tomato, you will pay that one cherry tomato as 1 kilogram, not as one piece. Okay? As 1 kilogram. And our prices for cherry tomatoes per kilogram is 200 pesos. As you can see, 200 pesos for one small piece, right? Because we created this rule because not all people know the proper harvesting method. Because if you improperly harvested one vegetable, it's either the yield next time will be lower or it will not have any yield. That